What's up, guys? This is your Chicago boy here, and one thing that you're probably thinking is, why are you filming on the floor? Well, usually when I film on the floor, I'm doing unboxing videos, and yes, you guessed it, it is a sort of unboxing video, and it's an unboxing that I've been waiting for a long time. No, it's not diecast models. I'm still waiting for that. But it's something that I've wanted for the past 4 years. So here it is. It is a Targus 66-inch camcorder tripod with that bonus carrying bag. The #1 tripod for camera and camcorder. So yeah, here's the box here. And yes, I got it from Target a little over 20 minutes ago. And here's what it looks like. So it can reach up to about, okay, let's see. Extends to 5.5 feet. So it's pretty much 5, maybe 6 inches shorter than me. Yeah, 5 to 6 inches shorter than me. I'm like 5'11". So okay, let's talk any more opening the box. So let me use this. Oh boy. Let's see what we have here. That's over there. Here's the carrying case that it comes with. Targus. Zipped up. And here's the tripod. It's gray, yes, but I really do need one. Here's the tripod. Pretty cool. It's a TG-6660TR model. And this bag here, we have the features. This camera is freaking blurry. There we go. 360 legs, quick release, 3-way 360, adjustable tilt, gear operated, non-slip feet. And this is the instructions, which I really don't need. So okay, so here's the tripod. Pretty cool. Let me see if I can set this up. You can just set my camera there. So that's how it is. So yeah, that's my tripod. Not extended right now, but I'll do that later. But yeah, quick update. I passed by Engine 106 Firehouse today. Yeah, Trot 13 is using another spare rig. They're not using their old rig anymore, which is E285. They're actually using the old rig. I don't know what company it is, but they're using E287. So yeah, just quick update about the fire department. Ambulance 3 and Ambulance 48 both have brand new ambulances, and I'm having a hard time catching them because they're like rarely outside. I rarely see them, so I'm gonna have a hard time catching them. So yeah, just a quick update. Buying a brand new tripod. And yeah, I'll see you guys. Oh wait, I forgot about something. Yeah, so here's the extended view of the tripod. So yeah, just always, there we go. Stick my camera there. Yep, there we go. Take this off. And there you have it. There goes my tripod. Yeah.